know how it spins, right? And you're like, where's the bit? How do I get the drill bit in there? So you want to put this in, right? Just as an example, you put it in, you could just leave it however. Then you click it, whatever side you want it to spin to. Hold this part. Make sure you're holding like the top plate right here. Hold this part. And it's gonna slowly tap in. See? That's how you get it to come in. And now it's, all good. And now you can, if that makes sense. Hopefully you got it. That's the lock and close signs are for right there.
Is it supposed to spark like that? You see that? Is that? I don't think that's good.